Online call center outsourcing. If your business has large customer business, then you definitely need to provide efficient customer service to keep them happy. Many small and large multinational companies, such as banks, insurance companies, or electronic companies, who enjoy the large customer base, need prompt and efficient customer service to handle customers' inquiries and grievances. Customer service reflects organizational behavior and its strengths and weaknesses. Inquiries from customers should be given priority and must be attended courteously. Failure to do so may cast shadow on the market reputation of the company. Having less time at the disposal, many multinational companies now resort to outsourcing customer service jobs. This not only reduces their labor cost, but also help in saving tremendous amount of time, which they can utilize in their core competencies. Many voice and data-based customer service jobs are now being outsourced to India and other Asian countries due to abundance of cheap, well-educated workforce. They are even ready to work in shifts to help US and Western companies. Hence, call centers are ultimate answer for the wide customer-based companies for all their customer service problems. Outsourcing companies invest heavily in its infrastructure and staff. Their staff and well-educated and experienced, companies are well-equipped with required infrastructure to meet the requirements of their clients' needs. Many voice-based call centers are now using automatic answering machines, which are doing most of the job for answering the overseas clients' inquiries. These machines are technically so advanced that you can program it with the most frequently asked questions. Even if caller does not find answer to question, then call will be automatically directed to operator who will assist in getting right person. Sometimes calls may also be linked to a corporate data network. Call centers not only attend the calls, but they also help in solving problems satisfactorily. Even difficult matters such as high-tech matters are discussed and solved on phone. In any case, your calls are not answered properly, then it will be answered by senior employee in a detail email. Now voice and data network are being interlinked, thanks to network technologies, which help providing data information to clients without hassles. On the other hand, contribution of internet has added tremendously. Call centers employees can now have a chat with clients, exchange files, do video chatting, and so on.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.